Hi everybody, in our modern world, there is a wide variety of machines that can amaze and do heavy work. These machines are incredible, especially when it comes to forests and trees. In addition to their power, these forestry machines also have many modern features, because they benefit from the best engineering, tools, and technology. Watching these machines is incredibly relaxing and enjoyable. In this video, we are talking about machines used in forestry and wood processing. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Naarva S23C stroke harvester with saw is mounted to the place of a loading grapple. It does not require extra hydraulics or electricity. It can fell, delimb, and cut timber. Naarva P25 uprooter for cleaning spruce and pine seedling stands. The Naarva remover roots unwanted saplings from the soil by pressing them between the rubbers with their jaws. The high-speed Tigercat 2000 series shear. It is strong, durable, and versatile and can be used for a variety of logging and clearing jobs. Woodcracker W1000 is ideal for splitting thick logs with low power consumption. It can be used in all harvesting and processing of strong wood. Pre-splitting the wood allows a natural drying process, which increases energy efficiency. DAH can be installed on most excavators or other carriers with articulated masts. It is a high-power, bush-cutting mulching industrial system in forestry. DAH brush cutter mulchers are designed for vegetation control work. The typical task of this machine is the unloading of the truck. The efficiency criterion for unloading is the entire package in one go. A wide variety of grippers and even specially designed grippers are available for this machine. These are hydraulically powered attachments designed for excavators specifically to grind stumps into chips. It can quickly grind logs, usually within a few minutes. Iron Baltic ATV log carriers are the ideal product for forestry work. It also functions perfectly in narrow and hard-to-reach areas where tractors cannot operate. It ensures that the logs are transported without dragging and harming the environment. It has a load capacity of 500 kilograms. A manual or electric winch is available to pull the logs onto the carrier and lift the load.